The spectral analysis confirms acoustic stability. We are clear for machining on the Tu-160 hub.
The drilling head rapidly descends, boring deep holes into the titanium alloy. A continuous stream of coolant flushes
linked payloads. The partially finished massive titanium component is transferred to a specialized automated deburring station.
The massive, highly polished silver titanium component, now fully shaped as the Tu-160 wheel hub assembly structure,
Eddy current testing ensures the structural integrity of the titanium hub before it moves to final coating in Process A.
The newly coated assembly is moved into the drying chamber. Controlled airflow and mild heat accelerate the curing.
The specialized robotic arm initiates the meticulous stacking of high-purity carbon composite discs, alternating.
Continuity confirmed. Zero resistance across the stack. Temperature and speed sensors passing verification.
The ECU responded correctly to the simulated slip. We have full confirmation on the modulation. The massive Tu-160 wheel hub assembly, Product A, is transported toward the primary integration cell, marking the merging point of the manufacturing streams.
Flawless inspection confirmed. Quality consistency lock engaged. Ready for integration.
The fully integrated, massive Tu-160 wheel and brake assembly is lifted by a heavy-duty robotic arm and
Finally here!
Looks like the tests went well. Let's start the breakdown.
The micrometer precisely measures the thickness of the carbon brake discs. The minimal wear confirms the exceptional longevity, validating the manufacturing sequence.
The massive Tu-160 wheel and brake assembly, designated Product B, arrives for the final installation phase on the waiting bomber.
Okay, serial number verified against the log, no damage reported. Sign it off.
Applying light brake pressure now. Feel is good.
Roger that. Product B assembly looks nominal. Taxi speed approved.
During a simulated rejected takeoff at high speed, the anti-skid system activates instantly.
The high-speed abort test was flawless. The anti-skid system performed perfectly.
The data confirms full stability. Excellent results.
Clean and powerful, the final product demonstrates the success of Process A and B integration, highlighting precision engineering and durability. The massive Tu-160 takes off, symbolizing successful deployment after rigorous testing. The landing gear retracts smoothly,